And the thing about getting vicious, and a good thing when they get vicious, you know. Can me tell us me get vicious when me in the strip joint now. Me name but I want dance me the money no more. One Jamaican girl in there used to name Paula. And the girl used to be a good pickpocket. So she teach me for pickpocket. And me I tell us one night 3 white guy walk in, you know. And me say they can't tell us then low, they can buy everybody then can buy drink the night. Right up on 34th Street. And me say we sit down, you know, all the couch make it kinda make a round. Yeah. So you have one girl named Cindy sit down right there. So she sit down right there so in front of me. Me sit down here so the next white guy here so. And the next white guy and make listen to one next friend and me there so. So when he take out, when the waitress come over and he pay for a drink, and me see what me wallet, me say, Ras, this motherfucker you loaded. Me for go in pan it. So when me look down, we take the wallet and put back in a jeans jacket pocket. You know, like a small tight jeans jacket pocket. So anyway, me just attacked him and I drink the drinks and I say, honey, darling. Oh, darling, oh, darling, you are so sexy, you're so nice. And he said, oh, I like you. I said, yes, you're so nice. And I say, the white man just love my body, I look sexy, you know. And I say, I want nice, sexy, long gown, just float down to the ground, you know. Look like a Hollywood made up on the red carpet, but you know, a strip club for local type. Or what else can I say? Thank God you saved me out of it. And and if you tell her this story. And when him did it, now say, so nice. And me say, thank you so much. And him go on and him go on and him go on and him go on. Me take time rub down his shoulder, me take time rub down his back. And I sip on the alcohol, small sip. Long Island iced tea was my favorite. And me tell her, so when me sniff and go down pan it and me down that, me say, listen, give me 2 shots of Shakila, give me some lime and salt. And when me white the lime and me take the shot and then me yam the salt and yam the lime, I remember how it go, thank God salvation saved me. And me tell her, say, ma, me just take my hand and rub him down, you know, and he just feel in the mood. Oh, Jesus, thank you for forgive me. Me saying get in the mood based on me rubbing on him friend do the attack. I mean, oh, him friend see me hand grow on him back, you know. And me take time, use the hand and go right on the back and take time and force out the wallet and bring it back around and bring it to the front of my G-string and it me going in the front of my panty on the long ground and draw. I said, sir, excuse me, I'll be right back. Me go right in the bathroom, empty out all of the fucking money. When you look for $100 bill, when me let the money at like $2,500, me say the wallet fat so till it bust up. When me empty out, it squash flat like a flat tire. When me done, me just put the wallet back and take time, go down, go sit down side of him and say, excuse me, only do it real fast and start rub him down quick before nothing happen. And make you put the wallet right back where me get it from in front of the whole 6 other people and nobody don't see me. Ma, then the place that treated to be a criminal. They trained to be a criminal. Me start pickpocket. I have one white man used to come from Russia and he used to love me off. And he used to say, Tina, I love for you, you know love for me. Ras, I'm going to drink some water now. I'm going to have a glass next to me because I'm going to pretend to me drink out a glass all the while. I'm nice and I have to drink out a glass. I throw dry time for going yam. When the food in there, I forgot buy. And I tell her same say love for you. I say, and the place is to run rapid. Me tell her all kind of girl, all Chinese girl down there, all kind of girl. Big place in all one Spanish girl, pay breast implant, play this and that. Everybody can do them thing. And I said, the man, I said, why you want to act like that? You know, can you stop dancing, but you don't want to dance with me, no, can't get no crutches from me. Because most of the bitches in there sell crutches. I mean, I sell crutches and you want to get in my crutches, so I'm act for me. My dear child, I tell him, say, all right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make you get in my crutches. Yeah, man, you get happy now, man. I say, buy the ticket for the room and I go inside. When I go inside now, I want to take my wallet, but I can't take your wallet in my pants front and a tight. You know, like a tight pants with a white boy wear. So I tell him, I want to lap dance with you, but I want you to feel it. Keep your underwear on, but just pull on your pants to your knee. The fucking idiot pull on him pants to his knee. So you know when he pull on the pants to tie to the knee, he drop right there so. Me just turn my back to him and start to dance. And then me just bend over, you know. And have my body clap up in him face. Me bend all the way and push my body up in him face. So him know I try to smell my crotch while me in my bikini a dance. That time me down in the wallet I empty out everything, panny. Me go in the wallet and me I take out everything out of the wallet. Me roll up all the money, me shove the wallet back in it. Me take my time, me turn up my dance, so I move around and I take you and shove in the couch. When you sit down pan in one hole with me make. Say if you bad, so you get robbed them search me, then I find the money for me I couldn't chew. So I don't want to get fire. And me said to him, so I don't know dance for them. I thought he was gonna do something. Me said, me tell him, me not do nothing. Me tell him I would dance for you. You nasty, so that's why you come in here because you try to get something. No bother with me. No bother, go look for some other girl we are still, not me. So anyway, him pull up him in clothes now. And he decide to come out. When me look to blood clot over $2,000, me say, no man, they me a big fish. So me good, but me kind of afraid. I say, oh, you know, me see it in going to watch. So me see him down by the strip club, right by the big long table where I look at him dance, and him still a spend. Me say, oh, the fuck I still a spend? And me take all the money. Something must be wrong. So me see him still a spend. Me say, you must act like that. He say, I'm mad with you. Me say, all right, tell you what, since you're mad with me, come here, go hotel. Me go stink to the back door. Come to like do nothing in them place here. Because I feel saying loaded. You have some kind of money somewhere else. I may take off that much more today. But the man could have killed me. But I wasn't thinking about that. More thinking moving like a Rambo. So I put on my white leather boots all the way up to my body and Ray slip to the back door, meet him, jump in a cab and reach over 7th Avenue. When I reach over there, so past the cemetery like I did house, me a blood clot go because I could have reached there. But the devil got me. When I reach there now, and reach there now, as him reach at the play and pay the woman, and tell the woman keep the $50 change. Me I watch the pussy. So me reach upstairs now and he get inside the room and him tell them I drink more liquor. I drink more liquor, one white man, I drink more liquor. So me turn on the water in the bathroom and the shower run. So him sit down there and I drink and I get more fucking drunk. And he hardly can manage. So me say make him go and drink. So he say, where are you? Come on, come on. Come on. Me say, come on what? I'm taking a shower. So I come out once, crack it door and said, I'm taking a shower, take it easy, buddy. That time I not take no shower. I turn up there, I smoke or whatever me I do. And turn up a people and I watch him and I come out. Because I don't want to give up nothing. He drink when he done, in drunk no rest. I go inside and said, no, I go in drunk, I drink. So I go inside now, I see him pants left careless. So I go back now and take the wallet now, because I never see me and take the wallet and when I look in that 400 and I wallet. I take out the 400 plus me have the 2,000 and stick it down in my boots. I put it back in there when I done now. I said to him, say, are you ready? Him say, yeah. I said, well, I need money now. Money now. You give me $700, you give to me. Him said, I'm going on. He said, there's no money. I don't know what happened. So give me my blood clot money, pussy. Give me my money. I said, when the devil, God me thank him, I said, give me my money. I'm going to shoot him. And he itch up between the bed and the wall. Come in, up forgive him nothing. I just basically come and rob the man and God forgive me. Right? And he itch up between the bed and one man said check the next pocket. And when me check the next pocket, the blood clot, I two roll fat, so 300 rubber band around them. But that's Ray, take them the babies, take them on my boots, Ray on my left and gone back up on the stage and dance. The man come back and he never say nothing. Me don't know how that happened. I must gotta protect me. Me don't know how. Me don't know how. But them life, there's some dangerous blood clot life. Cause next time one man come in and set me up. And he buy me a drink and me drink the drink. And he come outside and talk to me. And me that wait for the taxi guy if he come, because then just for that bunch of girl. And he said, come on, I'll give you a ride, no problem, I'll give you a ride. I'll drop you off. I'm a nice guy, been in the club all the time. If you see I come here, no harm. I'm a good guy. So the guy decided to give me a ride. I don't know which country he come from, for Polish or Poland or wherever I want to come from, I don't know, but I want to know real white man. So the man decided to give me a ride and take me over there East New York, over by Shepherd Avenue. The man started to drive and me and him attack. Next thing me know, me I drink the drink what the man passed give me. And next thing me know, me never know what happened to me. And the next day, one woman come and shake me in one hotel room and I say, Miss, wake up, something wrong, wake up. Me did it at the hotel, me never know how me get inside that hotel, me don't know what me do in that hotel with no clothes off. Me have around $2,000 in my purse, gone. Everything gone. Me no see the man, me don't know what happened to me, thank God me alive. Me wake up, me half jugs up, me don't know what happened to me. So a lot of things can out there when they decide to go strip club. When they decide not to listen to your parents and think fast money is the way, it's not the way. It can lead you to death. Me tell them me nearly dead. The man chokes me, me never know which part me there. Me never know nothing. When I wake up to the stranger like, I go home to my mother and my parents, I couldn't tell nobody what happened to me. I think it's the first time I even talk about this. Trust me. I tell her say it not nice.